Hi there, this is Eddie with Multi. We just got done doing a roof clean here. It is June, it's 90 plus degrees, so we prevailed. If you take a look at this side, you might see some areas that are worse before they get better. So they got the lichen here, the moss starting to develop. That's that algae, and we want to make sure that we let the hard rains dry that up, let it dwell, and then it'll wash off in a few months here safely without distressing the shingles. So we got the cleaner all over there. So we're gonna let the solution here run out and put a little bit more of our neutralizing plant wash here. Make sure nothing gets killed off. So thanks so much for having us here. As your roof is running out, you're just going to see a little bit of the roof solution running out into your mulch bed, so that'll be fine. Come home, you might see some areas that are kind of nasty. They look worse actually, but that's natural. That means it's dead. You're in good shape. So when you're ready to have your siding cleaned, your gutters flushed out, windows washed, let us know. We're here with Multi-Man Services, we're here to serve you at a super high level. Thanks so much. Any questions or concerns about our work, don't hesitate to call myself, and we will do a roof max roof conditioning treatment here. That's the plan. Give this roof another 5 years, potentially another 2 more treatments for 15 years total. No replacement. Roof maintenance is where it's at. My cell, call or text 815-520-6020. Thank you.